Hi friends, welcome to the Real Banking YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to use Monzo Flex facility. So we are going to cover 3 topics in this video. Number 1, how to split transaction in Monzo Flex. Number 2, how to edit your EMI plans in Monzo Flex. And number 3, how to pay your advance EMIs. So let's begin to the video. First of all, open your Monzo Bank application and you can select any transaction which you want to split the transaction in Monzo Flex. Now you have to select the pay over time with Monzo Flex. You can see here your installment plans offers are available at you. You have to select anyone as per your condition and as per your choice. And still if you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Let's learn about number 2, how to edit your EMI plans in Monzo Flex again. So first of all, open your Monzo Bank application and you will find the manage option here. So you have to select the manage option, and as we can see here, pay off extra, and number 2, edit installment plans. Now select your transaction which you want to edit. So as we can see here, here is the options available, edit installment plans. So edit as per your requirement and tap on the OK and done. Now all done successfully. Now let's learn about the number 3 topic, how to pay your advance EMI. That means if you want to pay your EMIs in advance, then you can also do it. First of all, open your Monzo Bank application and select the manage option, and if you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. So as we can see here, here is the option of the pay off extra. So you have to select this option, and if you are enjoying this video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if this video is really helpful for you, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Now select your any transaction which you want to pay EMIs in advance, and after that they will ask to enter your amount. So enter your amount and tap on the next and done, and your all transaction has been done successfully. If you are facing any problem, then you can share me in the comment section. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.